Zero tolerance to Bruxism. Why? So that we all can enjoy youthful smiles for life. Bruxism, grinding teeth at night, affects 1 in 3 of us. Look at your left, look at your right. It's the leading cause of massive tooth destruction, the hardest part of our body. Current solutions with passive plastics are inefficient and ineffective. So, what if all this could change? Here is the first active Bruxism magnetic splint. First of its kind, there is no market equivalent. With unparalleled ease, efficiency, and effectiveness, now patent at the University of Melbourne. I, Shazia, am the innovator and the first patient to use the Bruxism magnetic splint, now creating momentum towards international commercialization. Blessed with a strong international team, we collectively have over 150 years of experience. Trillion thanks to MedTech Actuator for an amazing learning platform. So, let's redefine Bruxism treatment altogether and have youthful smiles for life. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. It's my pleasure to introduce Saj on set.